What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to the channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we got a lot to go over. First, we got a lot of not a lot of bit. Matt can't even talk. We got a lot of great news to go over, and we're not talking about the stock price right now. If you scroll down here and look at the market news, look at this. Stock futures rise slightly after S&P notches best week after February. Fed rise with Fed rates step up inflation. Let's go take a look at these futures here, guys. Look at this. As of right now, the Dow is up 216 points. S&P is up 44.5 points. The NASDAQ is up 113 points. Look at this. The Dow futures up 128 points. S&P 500 futures up 60 points. And the NASDAQ futures up 58.5 points. So a lot of great stuff there. I did see the VIX was down, so that's great. Futures are looking good. We'll see how this leads up into Wednesday, that big, I think it's the Jerome Powell meeting coming up. So yeah, hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. And baby, let's go. We got this post I wanted to cover leading up into this week because we talked about this situation before in the channel. This post here was on Reddit under the RMMAT group, and it's by Hard Mineral 94. And he says here, we're now trending on the Wall Street bets and are being targeted for a January 21st, 2022 gamma squeeze in conjunction with Torch options chain expiration. And what he's referring to there is those January 21st, 2022 call options. You get 50 shares of Mmat stock and you get 100 shares of Mmtlp Series A preferred share dividend. And let's go take a look a little bit more at this article. I researched this pretty extensively, and 4 out of 4 times the stock I pulled up that merged with a foreign company squeezed after the options chain expired. The most famous example is Newegg. Theoretically, adding a gamma squeeze on top of the final options expiration will cause a massive degree of insanity. Call to action. Go help me gain traction on there with you all. I'm not recommending anything. Mmat will take off with or without any action being taken, but the hypotheses I posted here are very worth looking at. Lend me your power. So I did go click on the link, and it has been removed by the Wall Street Bets. And I did scroll down here and I read the comments. It was actually this one. So they've removed it twice, because you can see the original post here was posted 3 hours ago. There was also a post here that was 6 hours ago. Then there was a post here 56 minutes ago, and they've all been removed. So I don't know. People's thinking, I've read a couple of the comments down here. Yeah, here's this person said, and taken down, Wall Street Bets is useless and corrupt. Was about to megatrend. Hedgies are scared of the ticker. Guys, I'll tell you what, that would not surprise me if the hedgies or the market makers probably have ways in of Reddit now to, if they see certain topics they don't like, to take these posts down. I personally don't see anything wrong with this post and why it would be taken down, other than if you're a short position in this company, you definitely have a problem and you definitely would like to see this getting taken down. Because yeah, I currently am still holding a couple options on my Fidelity account of those January 21st call options. I have, of course, a lot of MMTLPs. I bought them on Fidelity. I've actually exercised my options through Fidelity with these contracts, so it does work. You call them up. If you buy the MMAT1 options, that's the one you got to get. MMAT1 options, not MMAT2. You do MMAT2, it's just the MMAT shares, so do not do that one. Make sure you're getting MMAT1, call it the brokerage, make sure you tell them what you're looking for, make sure you buy the right one. And then after it clears, after your purchase clears, you call them up. You got to make sure the cash is in your account and clear, and then they'll exercise it for you. And usually within a couple hours, mine was in a couple hours, you'll see the shares of MMAT and MMTLP appear in your brokerage. So pretty cool. Now let's go take a look at some stuff we got here on Twitter. So here we are on George's Twitter. I'm under his tweets and replies. And the first thing I do want to share, George did do this post. He said, Christmas cheer. And to whoever stole my antidepressants, I hope you are happy. Big old glass of tall boy right there. Nice beer. This one here is pretty funny. Our buddy Exact Perspective did this post here. Now, I'm not going to be able to play it in a sense. Actually, I can mute the volume. So let's go over what it was here. It says, Great to see Metamaterials dancing through these market obstacles. Nice moves at Palak Harris. Mmat dancing beyond. Can't stop the unicorn. Something magical. So we can watch this. Here you can see you got George dancing up through Kramer there and the Mad Money. George is just strutting the stuff, going up to the NASDAQ, scooting around that. George keep on strutting the stuff. There you got Ken Griffin of the Citadel Advisors. Here you got the Fintel. We had a little issue with the Fintel as well. And George is just dancing up through all that. And there it is, Metamaterials. There we go, go beyond. And George just dancing up through there. Yeah, so pretty funny. George actually replied to that and put a laugh on it. So George found that pretty amusing. I just wanted to present to you that George found that pretty funny. You can go check it out. I think I did retweet that on my page as well, guys. Down here. Yes, I did post that there of him dancing there. Also, I did do another video I wanted to show you. Tomorrow, this is not me saying this. Like I said, I just wanted to present the information. There's kind of a movement going on with another stock here, ticker symbol GGPI, and I wanted to spread the word on the movement. So what this is, it's Polestar. It's currently a SPAC on a merge with Polestar. They're kind of like the next hot EV SPAC, but here's the difference. They're actually producing cars. They're going to produce about 29,000 cars this year, like bought and sold, like sold vehicles, not like Lucid, where they're only producing like 70 some cars and they're under delivering what they're supposed to sell. So there is a movement. There's a couple articles on StockTwits where GTIP, we're taking the stock to 25. By tomorrow, it's actually Monday and Tuesday, spread the word. And so I wanted to say, go check out that video. If you're looking for a hot EV SPAC, guys, it's trading at like $11.50 right now. It's dirt cheap. You know, Rivian's way out of price. Lucid came down a lot, but it's still overpriced in my opinion for what they're delivering. And I know they got a lot of reservations, but reservations can fall through. They're not delivering the cars they said they're going to. I think they were supposed to deliver like 500 cars this year, and they're currently in like 70 some cars. So they're short over 400 cars from the promised delivering. So I wouldn't be surprised if Lucid would take a dip on that underperformance. I did have a comment in one of my last metamaterial videos, and a buddy asked me, where do you get this shirt? Someone asked like, hey, I like your shirt. Where can I get this buy the dip shirt? If you scroll down in my videos, I have it right here. Teespring store link. You click that link, it'll take you there. But if you don't want to do that, right down here, buy Terry Yonker merchandise. And I got the mugs here. I got a sweatshirt. I got t-shirts. You can click on these and check them out. You can go to my store and check it out. I got to go create some new stuff on there. Because, yeah, just time to update the store. It's a new year, almost here in a couple weeks. So I want to get that updated. All right. So what I want to go here next is take a look at the updated Fintel information and see where we're sitting at. So we can see our short squeeze scores of 74.14, ranked 353 out of 5,465 stocks. As of right now, there is 500,000 shares that are available to be shorted. Our short borrow fee is a 1.4%. And the FINRA short volume ratio on Friday was 55.21%. And if we go down here and look at the combined short volume ratio, it came out to a 60.48. So pretty high short again. Just when we were back here in the 50s and 60s and they came down to the 40s, I thought they might have slowed up a little bit, but here we are again. They're back up in the 60s. They're not letting up. So I am hoping, as you scroll down here and look at the titles, how the stock futures are rising. I hope that continues. And we can see, hopefully get this Santa Claus rally. I believe after Wednesday is going to be the big day. And hopefully these small to mid cap stocks are going to take a rally. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.